It is yours truly, Theodulis, and I wanted to do this video, as you see in the title, to bypass the building not starting the movie. I'm gonna put the link in the description of Blim H, who did a phenomenal job of showing us how to do the shake screen. All I'm doing is showing that if the build-in does not start the movie, how to bypass it. It is not starting the movie as it should. As you can see here, when you preview it, building is supposed to start the movie, but it's not starting the movie. So what you want to do is you want to click the screen record to bypass that. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to play. Play is actually going to play your recording, but again, the building is not working. So you want to move your mouse away from the screen where it's not visible and simply click spacebar. There you have it. It plays it. It captures the screen. What you're going to do afterward is you're going to hit escape. And you're going to end your screen recording. So you're going to stop the screen recording. What that does is you're able to then save the clip. You're going to save the clip. Bring it on to your iMovie after you save the clip. I named it Shake Dunk, sorry. Now, all you have to do while it's recording is play this. So, what you want to do is just get it to the part where it's actually shaking, like so. At that point, you guys are master editors. You can do this part. So I'm just going to do it quickly so you guys can see and have an idea of what I'm talking about. So you see, you get the shake. You're gonna, where does the shake start? Right there. Move a little back. Split clip. Delete this unnecessary part right here. Where does it stop? Right about there. Split clip. That's at 1.5 seconds. You don't need this part. And when we play it back, there you have it. You have your shake screen, and you were able to bypass the fact that the building wouldn't start the music, the movie. I almost said music. But that's it, Theodulites. I just wanted to put that out there because I think Blim H did such a phenomenal job of helping me get that shake part and add a little oomph to some of the videos that I was trying to edit. Again, I'm going to leave her description down below so you guys could check out her channel and check out that video in full. And if you have trouble with the building starting the movie, you can come to this video and watch how to bypass that. Thank you so much, Theodulites. You guys are amazing. Thank you for the support. And I can't wait to do more videos like this in different aspects. Appreciate you guys. Laters.